Hello friends, this is Imranshuraj, and in this video I will explain you a little information about history of C++. Okay, let's start. And this is the first lecture of C++. Okay, so C++, write it in capital letter. C++ was developed by C++ was developed by sorry Barney Estrosop Estostrop. Okay, and Barney Estrosop and his team. Okay, and where 80 and T sorry Bell Laboratories. Okay, 80 Bell Laboratories in USA. Okay, in USA. So next next C++ was derived. Okay, C++ was derived from C language, C programming language. C++ was derived from C programming language. Okay, right here from FROM. Okay, C++. No, here this is good, this is pretty good. Okay, programming language, C programming language. C++ was derived from C programming language in plus plus increment operator. Okay, next no, sorry, I select the drawing. I should select text. C earliest name of C plus plus age. Decide the text. Okay, it look like pretty good. Earliest name of C plus plus age. What? Earliest name of C plus plus age. C with class. So I hope this video helps you. Meet you in next video. Thank you so much.